I'll also be engaging Professor Kuria, who's an education expert, regarding the intrigues of this particular model. It's coming at a time when every parent, of course, has that concern on the criteria that will be used. What are some of the intrigues?
Yeah, thank you so much, Marianne. First is to thank the government because this model is really timely. It has come at a point whereby public universities were struggling with funding, lack of enough funds to run their operations. We had had strikes from staff who did not receive their salaries or timely getting their adequate funding. And we know that this model is going to address that because the government or the model has given a leeway to the public universities to decide about their fees. They can adjust their fees according to the programs and how they want to adjust them to offer quality education to our people. And therefore, we see this model is going to solve the problem of funding to the universities. But however, those programs that will attract enough students are the ones that are going to drive. Those programs that are not going to attract many students, then they are going to die out. Maybe they need to be shelved by some of these public universities. Now, the challenges with this model is that I will not call it a challenge because it has come at a point whereby students are almost going to the university. September and now is a short period of time. There has not been adequate time for parents and students to internalize and understand this model. So appeal to the government and those concerned, kindly interpret, organize for public forums and public interactions so that parents and the students can really understand exactly what they need to do and what is their role and what is the role of the government. The model has categories of the needy, the vulnerable, the less needy. The government is going to take care of 100% of those who are vulnerable, but there are those that are not going to be, according to the category, may not receive full funding. Thank you very much.
There you have it. That is the whole discussion on the new funding model. Of course, the intrigues regarding this particular model as